The inventory turnover ratio is a financial metric that measures how efficiently a company manages its inventory. It indicates how often a company sells and replaces its inventory over a specific period. This ratio is particularly useful in assessing the efficiency of a company's inventory management compared to other efficiency ratios. While other ratios might focus on different aspects of operational efficiency or profitability, the inventory turnover ratio specifically zeroes in on how well inventory is managed and sold. Inventory turnover ratio. The inventory turnover ratio is calculated by dividing the cost of goods sold by the average inventory during a specific period. To understand this, imagine a company that sells products and keeps a certain amount of stock on hand. The ratio helps determine how quickly that stock is sold and replaced within a given time frame. This metric is crucial because it provides insight into how effectively a company is using its inventory to generate sales. Example: suppose a retail company has a cost of goods sold amounting to $500,000 over a year. At the beginning of the year, the inventory was valued at $100,000, and at the end of the year, it was $150,000. To find the average inventory, add the beginning inventory to the ending inventory and divide by 2. This gives $125,000. Then, divide the cost of goods sold by this average inventory to get the inventory turnover ratio. So, $500,000 divided by $125,000 results in a ratio of 4. This means the company sold and replaced its inventory 4 times during the year. Low inventory turnover ratio. A low inventory turnover ratio suggests that a company is struggling to sell its inventory efficiently. This could indicate overstocking, obsolescence, or weak sales. If a company's ratio is low, it might be holding on to inventory for too long, which can tie up capital and increase storage costs. It can also imply that the company is not responding effectively to market demand or is experiencing issues with product appeal. High inventory turnover ratio. A high inventory turnover ratio indicates that a company is selling its inventory quickly and efficiently. This suggests strong sales and effective inventory management. A high ratio typically means that the company is able to turn its inventory into sales rapidly, reducing storage costs and minimizing the risk of inventory obsolescence. However, an excessively high ratio might also suggest that the company is understocked, which could lead to stockouts and missed sales opportunities. How can companies optimize inventory turnover ratio? Improve inventory management. Regularly review inventory levels to ensure they align with current sales trends. Implement inventory tracking systems to minimize overstocking and stockouts. Enhance sales forecasting. Use historical sales data and market analysis to predict future demand more accurately. This helps in maintaining optimal inventory levels that align with anticipated sales. Streamline supply chain. Work closely with suppliers to reduce lead times and improve the efficiency of inventory replenishment processes. This can help in maintaining appropriate inventory levels and avoiding excess stock. Key takeaways. The inventory turnover ratio provides insight into how effectively a company manages its inventory relative to its sales. It helps assess inventory efficiency and identify potential issues with overstocking or stockouts. A low ratio may signal inefficiencies in inventory management or weak sales. A high ratio usually indicates effective inventory management, but should be monitored to avoid stock shortages. Companies can optimize this ratio by improving inventory management, enhancing sales forecasting, and streamlining their supply chain.